this up and then you just put it straight.
Guys, we picked this dare today.
조금 가지 피클처럼.
The Korean EBS TV program 한국기행 recently asked to do a documentary series highlighting a typical foodie trip I would take for my YouTube channel. But perhaps I got a little too ambitious. I told them I wanted to pick spring vegetables with my friend Hong Tae and cook the most incredible barbecue with expert fermenter content creator Jonny Kyungwho, and then head to the Seomjin River to eat giant but-gul oysters. So what's it like filming for the EBS program 한국기행? This is day one of our spring trip to Hadong. But before we get to the video, I want to announce that I'm now selling my family's authentic bratwurst in Korea. Stick around to the end of the video to find out more about this unique product now available in Korea. So I just arrived to the Hadong area. We're driving down the Seomjin River. The Seomjin River is this massive, beautiful river on the south side of Jirisan. I'm heading to meet the film crew. I'm a little nervous because I've never filmed with them, and it's always interesting to see how the film crew sort of works and operates. Assume that I need to speak more Korean, maybe more Korean. I hate that feeling. I hope my Korean is good enough. 한국어 조금 할 수 있어요. The TV show we're filming here is called 한국기행, and I think that by the time this video comes out, it might actually be aired on TV. We started filming at Hong Tae's beautiful countryside home, where we would prepare our barbecue and sleep for the night. The EBS crew was absolutely professional, ensuring that each shot captured the beauty of the home. We then set off to harvest some wild spring vegetables.
냉이?
냉이.
Ah, I see.
오케이.
Wow. Yeah, very easy.
냉이는 쉬워.
Wow.
달래는 되게 어렵고. 냉이. 오, 냉이.
그러면 한국에서 그냥 딸 수 있어요?
응?
한국에서 그냥 길 옆에서 냉이 사주면 딸 수 있어요?
또 따면 되지. 그러니까 이제 내가 내 먹을 거 정도 하는 거는 괜찮고, 근데 이런데 그렇지 이제 시골이라도 이런 데는 그러니까 뭐 자기들 그 신경도 안 써. 자기 있어도 냄새 맡아봐 냄새. 냄새.
와,
좋아요.
그러고 뭐든지 지금은 시골에서는 그냥 지금 나오는 걸 먹으면 몸에 제일 좋아. 몸에. 이게 전부 다.
Oh, it's like a dare 농장, dare farm. Wow. 와.
달래 구덩이. 이게 사실 이런 거 TV 너무 어디서 캐는 거.
It's nice of them to just grow in one spot.
Yeah, exactly.
That's a big one.
We just gathered dare, we gathered mogu, and what did I forget? Oh, nengi, and we got nengi.
I cannot remember.
Yeah. So, anyways, I'm freaking hungry, and I'm hoping, I hope we go back to the house
I had a
soon.
kimbap before I came here as well. It's actually this is not too bad.
It looks nice.
One of these up.
Yeah. Hong Tae's wife, Haewon, prepared some delicious pajeon for when we arrived. Honestly, I hadn't eaten all day, so the warm pancakes were a welcome treat. What kind of jeon is this?
파가 제일 맛있어요.
파gat?
파.
파?
이거
Okay.
쪽파가.
Jokpa?
쪽파.
With this, wow,
better.
this is amazing. Oh my god.
독해.
좀 센 거 같은데?
이거 이게 집에서 담은 거라.
Yeah. And it has this like earthy noodle. 오, 혜완 감사합니다.
But now it was time for what I was most nervous about. Jonny and I agreed to prepare the barbecue, and I was in charge of making wood-fire smoked samgyeopsal and moksal. Any of them look like gooey? Luckily, my wood-fired meat turned out perfectly, and the banchan Jonny and Haewon made using the spring vegetables we gathered that day was absolutely stunning. Add a bit of garebi to the fire, and you have what must be one of the best Korean barbecue tables I've ever seen. Dude, look at what we made. I'm gonna shake your hand. This is beautiful food. Right now, the PD is just making sure all the food's been filmed for the show. We're just torturing ourselves.
다들 고생한 보람이 있네.
대박이 대박. 어?
맛있겠다?
어.
오케이.
너무 맛있어.
젓가락이 없잖아. 젓가락.
See?
왔어요. 제가 만든 사과 사이다.
사이다 술 아니고?
술이에요. 술이에요.
술.
술.
왜냐면
영국 술.
영국에서 사이다로 하면 항상 술이에요.
사과 냄새.
The combination is really good. Nice. It's really good.
자,
네.
한국의 봄을 느끼며.
알겠습니다. 건배.
건배.
와, 진짜 맛있어요.
술이네 술.
네, 술. Yeah.
Okay.
See, this is what I love. Like, this is Korean food. So many options.
I'm gonna try with this
Infinite
first.
부드러워.
와, 야,
아 근데
맛있어요.
식어도 맛있다 식어도.
뚝배기는 진짜 바삭바삭하네. 오.
Oh, I'm gonna get the moksa. Which one? Sauerkraut. So Jonny has all of this banchan. I want to try 마늘굴 하고 돼지고기.
발효된 마늘꿀.
와,
이거 한 8월 됐어요.
진짜 맛있어요. Guys, we picked this dare today.
여기
아니.
가지 피클처럼. 이것은 조금 시험이었는데.
This is gonna be good.
뭔가 제일 맛있을 때다 지금.
와,
이거는 그 멕시코 음식 재료 만든
crazy.
사워크라ut, 그 양배추 발효된 양배추.
발효된 양.
it's like big kimchi, Mexican big kimchi.
조금 멕시코 음식 맛이 나요.
Wow.
It's good, right?
Yeah, 맛있어요. I like it.
이거 타코 소스인데.
Yeah, like
조금
taco.
타코 맛이 나요.
타코 맛. 냉이장 할 수 있어요. My first time. Perfect. 와, 냉이장 아시 with 목사 장작구이. Okay. 와. Perfect.
Wow.
So good. Why I love Korean food. I love banchan. 진짜 banchan 너무 좋아요. It's like Korean food relies on the eater. 외국인 음식 you need a chef 필요하세요. 근데 한국에 미식가 셰프입니다. We are like the chefs, I think. So we can take some meat, mix all the banchan together in sam, and put it in our mouth. And the meal that Johnny eats is different than the meal I eat. And I've never experienced food like that before. 진짜 맛있어요. 진짜 좋아요. 한국 음식 제일 좋아요.
들어왔는데 한마디 짧게 한 번만 말씀드릴게요. 몸이 그냥 내 입안으로 그냥 확 들어오네 그냥.
Overall, filming a TV show in Korea is not easy, but it's a good excuse to enjoy good food and good drinks with good people, and learn so much along the way. I went to sleep soundly and couldn't wait to see what tomorrow would bring. Before leaving, I just want to mention that with the help of the Dutch house in Namwon, I'm now selling my family's traditional handmade sausage in Korea. This is a unique recipe passed down for generations in my family and represents an authentic old world Swiss style bratwurst. To support our channel, consider clicking the link in the description below to learn more about this unique product now available.